Hey Rodney, how you doing? Hey, this is Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and hey, I apologize. I actually found your request for this screencast buried in some comments, as opposed to a messenger, which is how I normally receive the info. But so I'm a little late on this, but I did get the information and took a look at everything for you. So looks like you got a great logo, great van. This wrap that you got on there is very well done. Love it. Wanted to take a look at and talk really about three things today. So the first one is content. So if we look at content here, got some pretty good content right here aside from testimonials. But I wanted to let you know that in Google's eyes, they actually like to see 1,500 words or more on the home page. So this would be your home page. Looks to me like you've got about 300 words, maybe 350. Okay, so there's content. So I would encourage you, the very first thing, if you want to start ranking and outranking your competition, you need to add about 12 or 1,300 words to this home page. And then the other thing that Google looks at, I like this, by the way. This is great that you've got the book service call right there. Got the area map. Good information here. This looks to be fairly keyword rich as far as the services that you offer, and then it looks like the location is in there probably at least 6 times, and then some testimonials. So the other thing that Google counts, if we just right click on this and then you do save image as, you can see, so this says 12_ rug cleaning in Woodbridge, VA. So that's pretty good. I would take the 12 out of there, but this is actually labeled better than most images that I see, and that is actually counts towards your content and your word count to have these images properly labeled. This one says carpet cleaners, Woodbridge, VA. So I would rename these with more keywords rather than just location, but you do have them named much more closely and properly than most businesses. So that's really good. So that's number one thing, is content on the homepage. Got to boost that up by about 1,200 words. The second thing that's most important is backlinks. So if we take a look at the competition here, so we'll talk about backlinks and how they're relevant to ranking. So I did a quick Google search for carpet cleaning Woodbridge, Virginia, and actually, if you look up here, that is the volume is almost 400. You're at 390 searches per month for these specific keywords right here. The competition is high, 81. That's 0 to 100. However, what's interesting is, I wanted to show you, got these ads up here. The map pack is the first thing that people see. I would, this is actually a citation, but I would look at improving your GMB. So you are in here, but you're in the 13th position. So the top 3 is where we would like to place you at. So if we come down here, oops, sorry, I think I went by, yep, DMV. So this is your GMB. So good job on having, oh, interesting. So yours redirects directly to your site. Which is kind of unusual. The best thing is to have you actually GMB. So you might have got in there and just redirected because if I just go here, there it is. Sorry, I think I clicked on the website. So great job on this. This is the third thing that I wanted to talk about, which is citations. So a citation is your name, address, phone number, name of the business, address, phone number. Those 3 things, your NAP, is in a Google citation is the original and best. So citations are the third most powerful thing that you can use to drive your website up. Suggestion here, I'd like to see the business description rewritten to be the maximum 500 characters or 500 words, and more keyword rich content in here. You have some stuff in here, but we would want to kind of redo this to be more concise. And then also expand your service area if you want. That would be my suggestion. So this is the best original citation. Again, you're in the 13th position. If we do search engine optimization on your GMB along with your website, we can get you in the top 3 to Google by doing that. Or you can do that on your own, but you need to add pictures, you need to add content, and do that on a weekly basis with updated information. Great thing is you have 80 reviews with 5 stars and 10 years in business, man. Great job. So you have a very strong business. And I wanted to show you this opportunity right here. So I put your website into a tool, and let's pull up the competition first. So in this search, go back to the organic search for Google, and we come down here. So these are going to all be, these top 4 are all going to be informational links, but this carpet cleaning Woodbridge is your #1 competition. It's there. And then you've got Yelp, Home Advisor, then Save a Lot Carpet Care Cleaning or Carpet Cleaning VA, and then ImperialOneCleaningservices.com. So those are your top 3. And take a look at them here real quick and see what they look like, especially content. So I always look at content. So they have quite a bit more content than you do, but not a lot. So this would be easy to overcome as far as the content part. So it's Carpet Cleaning Woodbridge. Here is Save a Lot Carpet Cleaning VA. So again, they completely different presentation. And again, they have quite a bit more content, words, images. If we look at their images, Carpet Rug Cleaning Northern VA is how that one's tagged. So, yep, so they are tagging their pictures properly also, and quite a bit of content. So this is #2 position. And #3 position, I have no idea how this site is even ranking, and it really isn't. It's pretty amazing that this is up. However, the only reason this is ranking is all this content that nobody reads, and the way that it's laid out is really terrible. So that's the only reason this is ranking, because it's a very weak website, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And then we've got your website again. Really like this booking here. Great graphic. It's a little plain with the white background, that kind of thing. Service areas. You got your testimonials and reviews, and then your photos. So pretty basic here, my friend. But let's look at. I've got a tool called Ahrefs, and I put update this here. I put your website in the top 3 into this tool so you can see how you compare. And then this is specifically about backlinks. So we've talked about content. We've talked about citations. And again, the citation is name, address, phone number, and how many times those pieces of information appear across the internet. And if you exactly duplicate the format that is in Google, that is the best way to do those citations. So let's look at your backlinks and how that relates to organic keywords. So first thing is here, this is your popularity of your website, and this is the strength of your website, 0 to 100. So if we compare this and look at what we've got here, #1 position, 175 backlinks, 83 organic keywords, and then so their UR rating is 25, but still pretty low here on the domain or the strength of the website. So that's the first competition. 11 and 6, so they actually have a stronger website, lower on this end, but 92 backlinks and 70 organic keywords. So remember on that. And then 40 backlinks, 208 organic keywords, and then 13 and a 0.3. So let's go back to you. You have a 23 and a 0.1. So obviously we just need to strengthen this. This is a good rating here. Really anything above a 20. So this is the last suggestion for you, my friend, is we need more relevant backlinks and more organic keywords. If we click on the keywords here, you can see that carpet cleaning Woodbridge, you're in the number 7 position. DMV, that's your brand name, you're number 1. So that really doesn't hold any weight. But Woodbridge VA carpet cleaning, you're in the 5th position. Carpet cleaning in Woodbridge VA, you are in the 8th position, and then Woodbridge carpet cleaning 7. Then it goes down from there. So these are pretty good keywords that you're starting to rank for, but we just need to bring that up as far as the positioning. So let's see where most of your backlinks are coming from, and I'll wrap this up for you real quick. Expertise, local, Yahoo, easy local, good. So most of them silex.us, site price. So not too bad. They just need to be more relevant backlinks to your industry, and that will really help your improvement. So I ran a little bit long on this, Rodney, but hope this is helpful for you. Feel free to get back to me if you have any questions through the contact information in the email. And good luck to you, because this is that opportunity is really good there. Basically, you need to add 100 backlinks and 100 organic keywords, and you're beating your competition.